And the warm, cuddly, and useful group known as Moms Demand Action indicated that 1 out of every 4 firearms are stolen from a car. And they went on to say that more prohibited areas are necessary, thus requiring a gun owner to keep their firearm in their car. It just makes sense. And coming out of Chicago, so far this year, 2023, day 51, we have had 75 killed, 261 wounded. Numbers are slightly lower than the last few years. A great reason why Mayor Lightfoot should be re-elected. And we have a great news coming out of the state of North Dakota. This is truly inclusive, truly patriotic, as that North Dakota House unanimously passes a bill to extend the state's permitless carry law to non-residents, and they are sending it to the Senate. You know, should this pass North Dakota, you're going to see me and my family come and visit. This is truly patriotic, truly pro-Second Amendment, and truly inclusive when it comes to people visiting the state of North Dakota. And Sig Sauer has had their Instagram page arbitrarily cut off from Meta. I mean, we just know that Meta is a great platform and really is safe for people. They since have been restored, but once again, an attack on the Second Amendment coming from Meta. My opinion, Instagram and Facebook are utter trash. Moving on, we have some anomalies happening. Another massive fire breaks out in a warehouse in Brooklyn, New York. And of course, we had another hazmat crew on a Union Pacific coal derailment line in Nebraska. These strange anomalies continue to happen, and Putin has announced that he will not partake in the treaty when it comes to nuclear arms. Guys, it is just inching closer and closer. You know, trending on social yet again was World War III, apocalypse, and breaking news. One of these days, we're going to find that it is knocking on the back door. And firefighters are battling another massive fire at a facility in Medley, Florida. I mean, day after day, train derailments, day after day, massive warehouse fires. Wouldn't you say that something really creepy is going on? I don't know about you, but it's certainly crossing my path. The markets today are struggling, as last time I looked, the Dow was down some 550 points. The VIX, man, she was a blinking, and I think it was up almost 12% as of one point. Many are concerned that we have seen nothing yet when it comes to economic turmoil, and I believe that it is very, very imminent and true. Don't forget, the sponsor of today's show is the USCCA, offering you education and training and self-defense insurance, liability insurance. And if you click on the link in this description, you'll learn more about them, as well as get a 100% free guide, the 6 things you didn't know would happen when the police arrive. Guys, it is imperative that you know what happens in the aftermath of a self-defense incident. They are the sponsor of today's shows. Click on the link, helps keep these shows going, as well as protects you for that self-defense incident. And in my next video, I will be announcing the winner, the one winner of the Silver Bullion Buffalo round. I'm going to make that announcement on a live video, so be sure to tune in. And I'm going to be doing more of these free giveaways, guys. I love what I do. I love doing these shows. I appreciate you the most as being continued fans. I'll be seeing you soon. Remain safe.